Welcome, friends so dear, to Toonriesrhyme. We're glad you're here.
Rain drizzled down on Farmer Lee's farm. Animals gathered with giggles and charm. Puddles, splashes, mud pies too. Come play with me, said the cow, moo moo. Chickens twirled under a tiny hat, hopping and skipping, imagine that. The piglets rolled, oh what a sight, dancing together in puddles so bright. Little lambs leaped with joy so high, splashing raindrops falling from the sky. Sharing is fun, the wise owl cried, helping each friend on this playful ride. The horse galloped through mud so deep, telling all friends, let's laugh, don't weep. Ducklings waddled in a straight little line, rainy days together always shine. The dog wagged with muddy paws, bringing joy with playful applause. Even Farmer Lee joined the fun, under the gray sky hearts shone like sun. After the rainbow appeared, colors of kindness, love and cheer. Sharing, caring, friends unite, every rainy day ends bright. Even rainy days are fun when friends share laughter, kindness, and love.